In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Fit app for steps with Active Health. We're going to set up the right permissions inside Google Fit so your step count and related activity can flow correctly into Active Health. Before we start, make sure the Google Fit app is installed and updated and that you're signed into the Google account you plan to use across both apps. A reliable internet connection helps the first sync go smoothly. Begin by opening the Google Fit app on your phone. From the main screen, look to the top right and tap the profile icon. This is where Google Fit keeps your account controls and privacy settings, and it's the quickest route to the permissions that determine what Fit can store and what partner apps like Active Health can access. Inside your profile, choose Fit Data and Privacy. This page explains how your health and activity information is handled. Scroll down until you see the section for Fit Data Permissions. This area is important because it governs which types of data are stored in Fit and therefore available to sync with connected services. Tap Manage Permissions. You'll see toggles for different data categories. First, find the option labeled Store Vitals Data. Turn this on, then confirm by tapping Allow. Vitals typically include things like heart rate and related measurements when available from your devices. Enabling storage ensures Google Fit can securely keep these records. Many wellness apps reference vitals alongside steps to provide better activity insights, so allowing this helps produce a more complete picture when your data is shared. Next, locate Store Cycle Tracking Data. Turn this on as well and tap Allow to confirm. Even if you don't actively use cycle tracking, enabling storage here ensures that, if such data is recorded in the future, Google Fit can keep it safely and make it available to authorized apps you connect. You can always return to this screen later to adjust these settings if your preferences change. With these permissions enabled, your Google Fit account is prepared to securely share the permitted data with partner apps. When Active Health is connected to your Google Fit account, it will be able to read your step count and related information permitted by these settings. If you've just updated permissions, give the system a little time for the first sync. Double check that you're using the same Google account in both apps, keep your phone online, and open Google Fit briefly to prompt an update. That's it. Your setup is ready for step syncing with Active Health.